How to make an online booking. Visit stablemassage.com.au. Click Book. Select the clinic location you would like to visit. Select the type of massage you would like on the Appointment Type tab. To book for a weekend or public holiday, please scroll down to select the weekend, the WKND option under Appointment Type. Choose a therapist if you have a specific one in mind, or you can select all therapists if you want the next available time. Select the date on the calendar. Pick a time that suits you. Check the details of your booking are correct. If you would like to see a senior therapist, please scroll down the page to see the senior therapist's schedule. If they are unavailable on the date you want, you can click on the date next week to see their schedule. Check the details of your booking are correct. Sign in, or create a new profile if you haven't signed up yet to confirm your booking.